Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys Lava Mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Lava Mobile guys Talkback full setting, how to use Talkback in Lava Mobile. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Today friends we will talk about Lava Mobile Talkback full setting, how to use, how to on, how to turn off. So first of all friends, open your Lava Mobile phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Lava Mobile. So how to use Talkback. Open your Lava Mobile phone assistant setting. After assistant setting, you can see this type interface in your Lava Mobile. Friends, last you will find here accessibility setting. Click here and friends you can check here select to speak setting, Talkback setting. So friends, you want to use select to speak, you can on select to speak, allow here, and you can use select to speak. So friends, click here Talkback, use Talkback, and friends allow Talkback. After allow friends, Talkback will on your Lava phone device, and friends you can use Talkback with two fingers. One finger friends you cannot use Talkback. Use two finger, you can use Talkback. And friends, one tap here back button, double tap, then friends you can back. Home button friends, double tap. So friends, you want to on any app, double tap on app, and friends you can open any app in your Lava phone device, and you can use your app with two finger. With one finger friends you cannot use it. Use your two finger and you can scroll. So a person who is blind gate, they use Talkback with sound. So when I will click any app and I will click this button, so I can use this button sound. Double tap, recent app you want to close, use your two finger. One finger friends you cannot close recent app. Use two finger, you can close recent app. And when scroll it with two finger, you can scroll. One finger you cannot scroll. You cannot use your Lava Mobile with one finger. After on Talkback. And friends, now you want to turn off Talkback in your Lava Mobile. So friends, use your two finger, and friends one tap on phone setting, double tap here, scroll with two finger. One finger friend don't use, you cannot off Talkback with one finger. Use your two finger and guys scroll it. Assistant setting friends, one tap, double tap here, and guys scroll it. Accessibility setting, double tap here. Talkback setting, double tap. Use Talkback, one tap and double tap here. Stop button, double tap with Talkback will off, and friends you can use your Lava Mobile without Talkback. You can use your phone with one finger. So like that friends, we can use Talkback full setting in Lava Mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.